Good boy. Morning. Or afternoon now, isn't it? Oh, no, still morning, yeah. You're so good.
Oh my gosh, hi guys. You're so tiny.
Have a good day. It's fucking hilarious. He just heard the GoPro beep and that's what made him take off. But it's too funny. Good, how are you?
I'm well, thank you.
Have a good day.
Yes, it's a beautiful day.
Oh my gosh. Go, go, go. Stay where I can see you. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Good job. You want to keep going or turn around? You want to go home? Scoop! Come on, silly. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, we're gonna go home now. 10-4. Ready to go home? Maxie's house? Go see Hutch? Go get something special? Good job, Max. We're going home, huh? Gonna go home to Maxie's house. Come on. Go, go, go. Oh yeah. Well, I slow down for most people.
Cute little guy.
Oh, thank you. Have a good day. You need to stay closer than that, dude. Good boy. Max, are you doing so well? Are you such a good runner, honey? Do you like mountain biking? Max, why don't you go first, honey, so I can see you. Go, go, go. Good boy. That's such a good listener, honey. Thank you. Let Daddy go first. Good boy. Let's go back to the van. Huh? We have traffic now, huh? They got hoed you in traffic. They got hoed Max. Maxie's such a good mountain biker. Was that so fun? Did you do such a good job? Did Maxie do such a good job? Are you gonna be tired now? Maxie gonna be tired?
We have to replace the clutch plates on both bikes, but again they wear out.
Yeah, I just want to remind you that this episode has been brought to you